Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting this vlog with the thought that I will share with you what I am going to cook for dinner tonight. Sometimes when we are at home, we crave for outside food, like outside restaurant made food. And if you are like me who likes English food as well, like steaks and sizzlers and all, so today's vlog is for you. Today I'm planning to make a minimalistic version of an English dinner plate with whatever available resources I could manage at home. I am going to make chicken legs in lemon butter sauce. For the sides I am having mashed potato and obviously eggs to go with it. So let's get started. Chicken legs, butter, garlic, lemon juice, pepper, salt. This is cumin powder, red chili powder, eggs, and this is for mashed potato, and then ginger garlic paste. First I am adding a little bit of ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, salt, pepper, red chili powder, a drizzle of lemon juice, and I'm going to mix this well. Now that I have marinated the chicken, I am going to cook it directly, but it is always advisable to marinate the chicken and keep it for an hour or so. It obviously enhances the taste. Now in this flat pan, I have added a little bit of vegetable oil where I am going to cook the chicken, and here I have kept the potatoes for boiling. The pan is hot now. I am going to add the chicken pieces. I've kept the flame on low and I'm going to cover it. After 4 to 5 minutes, I'm just checking on the chicken pieces and I'm going to turn the chicken pieces. I'm checking the chicken in between so that it doesn't get burned out, turning the sides and always putting the lid on. Once the potatoes are fully boiled, strain it. For the mashed potato, I am adding milk to the boiled potato pieces, pepper and butter, and then mix it well. Sorry, I forgot to put salt. The mashed potato is ready and this chicken is also cooked. It is crispy on the outside. To add a little color on the plate, I am just stir frying some peas. Little bit salt, pepper. Now for making the sauce for the chicken: butter, garlic, pepper and lemon juice. Don't let it burn. Now that our food is ready, let's do the plating. Now that our plating is done, we can have dinner. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you liked my English food plate. And until the next video, bye bye.